The have satisfactorily completed the requirements for the K-12 basic education curriculum for junior high school prescribed for secondary schools by the Department of Education.
By the virtue of authority delegated to me with the school's division superintendent of Caloocan City, Dr. Cesar Vicario Sesapad, and having been presented and certified by your school head, Dr. Raimundo P. Sandagon, that you have satisfactorily completed all the requirements of the K-12 basic education curriculum for junior high school prescribed by the Department of Education. I hereby confirm your completion from Ipao High School this school year 2025-2026 and are eligible to receive certificate of completion. Congratulations!
Thank you, Dr. Sandagon and Dr. Villalon. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give our completers a